Kortepohja Student Village, Kortepohja Jyväskylä. Staircase E.
What's 2011?
Ah, strange. Just some elevators modernized.
With 2011. 113-88-635. Are we gonna write this one?
Other one also.
Okay. But with one word?
Yeah.
Okay. So boring.
Yeah.
But at least the panel is a little bit like, well, I don't know.
As ik lees zo. Sorry.
Six posts of 80 kilograms. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
It has flow passing chime.
You were too quick. Smoke alarm. Just like a fire alarm system.
Yeah.
It's getting tired of me.
Yeah. Maybe someone thinks now there's. Oh, here is a fire entrance building. Fuck, stop that. Oh, there's a chime. Tell her what.
Onko piipitys kuulee?
No niin.
Ei hyvä piipitys. Siitä knarkikin.
I wanted this one also as the flow passing chime.
Fucking
Written to a still 113886330 half or.
Yeah, there's the flow passing chime.
bastard. You bastard.
You're also a bastard. God damn it. It also has door closing chime.
Yeah. This door closed, but.
Press it.
Oh, it works. Alright, that's it. And this is a real flow passing chime.
6 posts of 80 kilograms. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
This is the door holder.
Someone is coming.
When we are-
Buster is coming.
Voi vittu bustaa.
Nobody's coming.
Oh.
It was just niin arvasin, että kusetti sua. Thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down. Fuck this shit right now.
That's it.